I hope everyone is convinced with the last discussion, right? Guys, unmute your someone. Ayodele, Ayodele, what are you doing, man? Your dog is scolding you. Ayodele. Yes. I hope everyone is enjoyed the last discussion, guys. I hope. I'm audible, friends. Please let me know that. Please let me know that. Use the chat box. Everything is fine. Yes. I hope last discussion everyone enjoyed, right? I can. Guys, so now we will give next implementation. Now let's give the interesting, right? Ayodhya, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, so let's start. Let's wait one more minute is there, right? One more minute is there. Let's wait and then we will start the discussion. And others also can join. Yeah. Here we will give what? One recording. Sorry. Sorry for that. Okay. Here we will give what? One button, right? Here we will give what? One button, delete button. End user, we will give the, based on that, whenever end user will click on this delete button, right? This record will delete using what? Using what, guy? Based on that ID number. Based on that ID number. Okay. This is what our next implementation, right? This is our what? Next implementation. Okay. So let's implement it. Those things let's implement first. Okay. So first what I'm going to do now, here we will increase one more field, right? Come inside that what? Our list of HTML, list HTML. Here what I'm going to do now, just I'm creating one. What is that? Th, right? Th, inside that what I'm going to do, operation. Just I'm giving what? One operation, right? One operation. After then what is that? Operation, right? In the operation field, what I'm going to do now? TD, right? Sorry, TD. Just I'm giving what? Table data. Table data, inside that what is the delete button, right? So just come to browser and see that I'm refreshing now. Okay, I'm refreshing now, guys. Okay, see that delete button is came, right? Delete link is came, but it's not clickable. This one is not clickable, right? So what we will do now, what we will do now, we will see that. Okay, we will give its implementation, right? We will give what? Its implementation, right? So now fine, guys, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on and we will see that. Okay, whenever we will click on that delete button, right? So come to our what? BSID. So we will take this one as what? Button, right? We are giving this one as a button, and inside this button what we are doing now, we are taking this delete link, right? Now come to again browser, come and see that. Now refresh your browser. Now see that this one will become what? Button, but still what is that? Any action is not performing, right? Any action is not performing. To perform what action, we have need to write what? We have need to write what? Logic, right? We have need to write what? Logic. So let's write the logics. Okay, let's write the logic. Okay, so now come. Okay, now come and see that. So what we can do now? So but what is that red color? Red means what is that? Whenever you are going to somewhere, right? If danger area is there, area is there, that danger area is denoting with what? Red color, right? Red color. Even in the stop the steering also, see that here stop the sharing means something we are stopping forcefully. For that stop is there, right? So means that is the representing with what? That is representing with what? Red color, right? red color. So for that, what we will do now, we will change this color, right? We will change this color. So for that, here we will use the bootstrap coding, right? Bootstrap coding. So what is that? What is that? btn btn hyphen, what is that? Danger, hyphen what is that? Danger. Now come to again browser, come on the browser. Now refresh your browser. See that button color is changed now, right? Button color is changed now whenever you will click on the delete, but it's still something, right? So the button color is changed now. So next what we will do now, guys, but we have need to perform what? Action, right? Whenever we will click on this one, whenever we will click on this button, right, some action we have need to perform it, right? Some action we have need to perform it. So before, so what we will do now, just I'm writing one method inside what? Inside what? We will take this id, right? We will take this id. Based on this id only we will delete it, right? We will delete the data, right? So for that, what I'm going to do now, just I'm going to employee list component is there, right? Employee list component is there. What is that? Employee list component ts is there. Inside this one, I'm going to write one method. Just I'm writing, what is that? Delete employee. Delete employee, right? Delete employee. Inside that, just I'm writing one message. Just I'm writing one message. Later we will write what? Later we will write what? Logics. Okay, so what is that? Console.log, right? Console.log. Inside that, just I'm writing one message. What is that? Deleted. This message we will get. Okay, whenever we will click. And so come in the HTML. So for that, to performing, what is that? So to perform what? One action. For that, what is that? Click event click event. We will generate what? Click event. Inside that, what we will do now, just we will call this method, right? Which method? Delete method, right? Delete method. Okay, now copy this one. Now copy this one and paste it here. Okay, just I'm copying this method and pasting now. So again, come to again what? Browser. So now click on that, right? Click on the delete button. Okay, no problem, right? After click on that delete button, now inspect it. You will get the, what is that? Operation, right? But I want to show something. Console is there, right? No, event is not generating, right? Event is not generating. Come here. Okay, no problem. This is the console. Just message. I want to see that first, guys. Okay, just message. I want to see that. Okay. So now come. Yeah, actually, it's taking time. Okay, everything is good only. It's taking, need to define no ng in it. No, Srinimas. Okay, no. Okay, click. See, two time deleted. Here we are getting or not message, means this method, this button is started to work now. Okay, so now click on that. Click delete. Right? Click. You want to see the clear, that clear now. Okay, now delete it. See, delete. Again, click on that. Two time delete. Click three time delete, means it started to work now. But what we have need to now, what we have need what? We have need what? This, we have need what? This id, employee id, right? We have need what? This employee id. Guys, I don't know why this meeting, just now this meeting is started, right? It's giving what? 10 minutes. Okay, no problem. After 10 minutes this meeting will end, guys. Okay, reconnect yourself, right? Reconnect yourself again. Okay, so now see that whenever we are clicking delete, right? But what is that? We, based on that, we are deleting what? Record. One record, if we have need to delete, we have need what? Primary key, right? We have need what? Primary key, right? So if we want to delete based on that primary key, right? So whenever we will click here, ID also should come. ID also come, right? So but here only message is coming, right? So for that, what we will do now? Come inside, right? Come inside that. What is that? Just I'm taking what is that? ID plus number argument. This method I'm taking what is that? Argumented method, right? Here what I'm going to do now? Plus what is that? Plus what is that? Plus ID. This ID reference I'm taking. Okay, just ID reference I'm taking and come to what our employee HTML, and inside that what you will do now? Just copy this one ID and paste it, right? Paste it here. That's it. Okay, now after pasting that, what you will do now? Come to again browser. Come to again what browser? See that why this one is coming. Okay, no problem. I know that because argumented first, right? Now, so see that here delete is coming, right? Whenever we will click on the delete, right? Okay, whenever we will click on the delete, right? Here ID also will come. See that ID number 7, right? This ID is coming, right? Delete 7. Now click ID, delete 8. 8 is coming, right? Now 7, ID 8, right? Like this. Okay, now based on that ID only we can delete it, right? The data, one record if we want to delete from the database, what we will do now? ID we will take, right? ID we will take. So next what we will do now, guys? Just I want to show this message only. So now let's write the service class logic first. How our service class will interact with what? Our API. So come inside that part, our Eclipse ID REST controller, right? In the REST controller, so I want to delete the record. So for that, see that what is the URL, right? So get mapping remove, right? Remove plus ID. We have need to send the ID, right? As well as delete mapping remove plus ID, right? So for that remove take till now. So remove and ID. Okay, so now fine. So come inside that, what? Come inside our what? Employee service TS, right? Where the employee service TS is there? Employee service TS. Yeah, employee service TS. Open your employee service TS, right? After opening your employee service TS, what you will do now? What you will do now, guys? So come inside that, right? Write the logic, right? What logic you will do now? Delete, delete employee, right? Employee, delete. This is the method creation, guys, right? I'm taking one method, right? Inside this method, what we will do now? We are sending the ID, right? So we will take ID plus number type. Number, right? Number type. After then what we will do now? After then what is that? Already HTTP client is there, right? So now make the request, make the this dot what is that? HTTP, this dot what? HTTP delete, right? Delete. Okay, fine. This dot HTTP delete, fine. So next what you will do now? What you will do now? Come inside that, right? Come inside that. Okay, take backslash, right? After then what is that? Dollar symbol, right? Open braces, close bracket, right? Open bracket, curly, open bracket, curly, close bracket. Inside that, this path, what is that? Common path is there, right? What is that common path? Base path we are taking, right? Base path. Okay, so now slash what is that? Rest remove URI, remove, right? Remove. Okay, so now come inside that. What is that? Remove, REMOVE, remove. After then again we have need to take the send the ID also, right? What is that? See, open bracket, close bracket, ID, right? So after then what we will do now? After then what is that? Dollar symbol, open bracket, close bracket, and this ID we will pass here, right? This ID we will pass. After passing this ID, next, but our resource will our end user returning some string data, right? See that employee if not deleted, then we will get this. If employee deleted, we will get this string return type, right? So for that we will write the logic, guys, here. Okay, so for that, because our rest every time will send what? JSON data only, right? JSON data, to convert that JSON data into what? Text format. So for that, open bracket, close bracket, right? Now response type, right? Response type will take response type, colon text, right? Text, that's it. Okay, so now after then what we will do now? Some message will come, right? So some message, if message is coming, so where we will, which memory we will use? Observable, right? Observable memory we will take, okay na? But here we will string data is coming na, any data type we will take. Angular, any data type we will take, right? TypeScript, inside that Angular, what is that? Any data type keyword is there, right? We will use it. Any kind of data we can store it, right? After the error is coming, means it's asking what? Return type, right? Return. So return. Now see, error is complete gone, right? And what? Our what? Our service class logic we completed now, guys. Okay na? So again, what is that? Come inside that what? Come inside that what? Employee list component ts, right? We already wrote this method, right? So in this method only we will write the logic. Okay, we will write the logic. So what logic we will write now, guys? So come here, right? I'm going to write the logic. Okay. So now what is that? This dot, if data is, if we want to read the data in the observable memory, from the observable memory. So how we can read? Subscribe it, right? We have need to subscribe. But before, where that logic is there, in which class? Service. So we will take the service class reference, right? So we will take the service class reference dot, we will call the delete method. That delete method we will call. Okay. After calling that delete method, inside this method, what we will pass? ID, right? ID. After then what we will do now? Subscribe. We will read the data from what? Observable memory, right? We will read the data from the observable memory, guys. Okay. So now next, what we will do now? Regular expression. We will sorry, lambda expression. We will use the data. We will read the data, means for from the what is that? Whatever message will come, that message we will read it. Okay. If success, then this block will execute. If any error is coming, if any error is coming, right? So this block will be executed, right? So this block will be executed. Now fine. So here what I'm going to do now? Console.log. Console.log. Inside that I'm passing what? Error message. Inside this I'm passing just what? Error message, right? So next what we will do now? Next we will do it the logic, right? We will write the logic. What is that? Console.log error, right? Console.log error. So what is that? Just I'm writing console dot, what is that? Log data, right? To seeing in the data, just I'm passing this reference here only, right? Another one more we will do that, guys. Okay. So after deleting that, right? So we have need to see that what list of data, right? How many list data is there, right? Okay, no problem. This error is coming, I know that why. Okay, now I will tell. Okay. So just refresh. Okay, I will resolve it. Okay, I know that why it's coming. Okay, service class. From the service class it's coming, guys. Okay. So now fine. Okay. So here what we will do now? This dot, right? This dot get all. We will call get all, right? Get all method. Get all method. Okay. So now the things is completed, guys. The things is completed now. Okay. So yeah. One service class. Okay. Number, HTTP delete. Everything is good only, right?